guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a profile picture on Instagram. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Instagram. After that, at the bottom of the page on the right, you have to click on your profile. And now you have to click on Edit Profile. After that, you have to click on the gray picture. And now you have to click on Choose from Library. After that, you have to choose a picture. And you have to click on Done. After that, you click on Done again. And your profile picture is set up. That's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!